If you need a solid, reliable hold-down clamp of some kind, this one is a no-brainer. Hey kids, welcome to this week's Cool Tool Tuesday. I'm Phil Shimbine, and this week we have moved a meter this way. We have a new backdrop. Isn't that exciting? This week we're going to talk to you about Armor Tools drill press hold down clamps. The 6 DP70 and the 3 DP70. 6 and 3 being their size, right? This one's 75 millimeters and this one is 204. You know, so 3 and 6. While these were originally designed for a drill press table, they also work brilliantly in any kind of table that has dog holes on it, or in some T-track. It does come with a bolt to modify it so that it fits into a T-track, but the bolt that it comes with is fairly limited. But you can buy T-track bolts at timbecon.com.au. Link in the doobly-doo. What's great about these, in my humble opinion, or IMHO as the cool kids say, is the same thing that is brilliant about just about everything that Armor make, and that is this little knob here, right? So no matter the thickness of what you put on here, this will clamp down with more or less the same clamping pressure. By tightening or loosening off this little knob here, you can increase or decrease the clamping pressure on what you're using. And it does not change regardless of the thickness of what you're clamping down. For instance, or I did not have to adjust anything on this end. I didn't have to fart around. I didn't have to make this sit higher above the bench. None of that. It just works. The handy thing about these is that they do the work of several different tools, right? Various different kinds of hold down clamps and whatnot, either on your workbench or on your drill press, or really any of your jigs with T-tracks. They are fantastic. They replace a bunch of different tools, some of which Armor actually make, which is kind of funny in a way. This is just a brilliant little unit, and you should grab a couple. So there you have it, Armor Tools 6 DP70 and 3 DP70. The drill press hold down clamps. They are fantastic. For links to these and everything you need to know to get woodworking, check the links down below or go to www.timbecon.com.au. If it's your first time here, don't forget to do all the YouTubey stuff, you know, the sharing, liking, and subscribing, and telling everybody you know, and sharing this on Facebook or whatever TikTok is. And I'm Phil Shimbine, and I'll see you next week, I suppose. See ya.